in this video, I'm going to show you how I whiten my teeth at home using products that's already in my kitchen. So my normal routine would be to go to the dentist, get my teeth clean, and then they would give me a solution to whiten my teeth at home because of everything that's going on in the world right now. We already know. So anyway, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and show you how I clean my teeth at home and how I also whitening my teeth as well. The purpose of this video is to show you how to whiten your teeth, but you do need to clean them first, in my opinion, to really get that crispy white smile. So I'm gonna tell you guys something really quick. My biggest pet peeve is when someone does not have a really good oral hygiene. It's like so annoying to see that. I remember the other day I went on a business date and the guy that I was talking to was very successful. I focused so much on his bottom teeth. He had so much buildup that it was very distracting, okay, to say the least. So if you know someone that needs a little help, I definitely say share this video. Let's not be mean and say, you know, you need to clean your teeth or your breath stink or whatever the case may be. Share the video. All right, guys, so these are the products that you need, and I will explain what you do with everything. Okay, so first we're going to remember these numbers, which is going to be 4, 3, and 4. So just remember 4, 3, and 4. Because we're going to use 4 teaspoons, 3 teaspoons, and 4 teaspoons. And we're going to place it in this container. You need this dental kit to actually clean your teeth. I get this from Dollar Tree. So you only pay $1 for this. Okay, and that's to clean your teeth. You're going to need some floss. You're also going to need some Vaseline. So this is just Vaseline. And we're going to use a Ziploc bag just to spit everything out, okay? And you just need a soft toothbrush. I'm using this toothbrush right here. I just wanted to try something different, but you just need a regular soft toothbrush, okay, to brush your teeth. Four, 3, and 4. So 4 teaspoons of turmeric. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 scoops of baking soda. 1, 2, and 3. So now we're going to mix these 2 ingredients together well. Okay. And we're going to add 4 scoops. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So now we're going to mix these 4 scoops, okay? And you're making a paste. And your coconut should not be liquid, okay? So if it's liquid, then you need to put your coconut in the refrigerator so that way it gets it's more solid, like mine's, the way mine's were. So we have our paste, as you can see, and you can keep this in the refrigerator and use this for about a week or so, okay? Okay, so it looks like this, nice and solid. Looks like peanut butter. Alright guys, so now it's time for me to clean my teeth. So I have my dental kit. I got this from Dollar Tree for only $1. I'm going to use this right here. You can also use this to clean your tongue as well. I'm gonna go ahead and scrape my teeth. You can skip this part, but if you want your teeth to be shining, 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 you gotta use this. I don't have much, but I have, my teeth is a little stained at the bottom. As you can see, it's a little stained. And the reason why our teeth stain more here and get more buildup here is because of this gland right there, or whatever this is called. When we talk, we have more saliva right here, and that saliva builds up very hard tartar. So just gave you a little something, something, you know, just educate you a little something, something. All right, let's do this. All right, hold on. I'm gonna put a little lotion on my face because I know you guys like to comfort me. I gotta understand I have not washed my face yet or brushed my teeth, so give a sister a break. Some olive oil on my face. Okay, all right, we got this.
And when you do this, you're scraping the tartar from your teeth, not your actual enamel. You do not want to scrape your natural teeth, just the tartar on your teeth.
You see that tartar, guys? That is tartar. Okay, you see that? I definitely removed some tartar, honey. This is the best $1 I've ever spent. If you can't see that tartar, I'm gonna put it on my hand so you can really see it. You see that? That is tartar, baby. Tartar. All right, guys, so I hope you was able to see me remove some tartar from my teeth. I'm gonna go ahead and turn off the camera and really get to work because I want to really get in there, remove all the tartar because I have a lot of tartar like in the inside of my bottom teeth. I have a little bit here, and then I'm gonna go ahead and clean all of my teeth, all in there. I'm getting all of it out, all of it. It's gonna be gone, okay? If you want more detail on how I clean my teeth, I'm going to leave that link up here. I already have a video, so I'm not going to go into too much detail. The purpose of this video is to get your teeth whitening, but I think this step is very important. All right, guys, so I cleaned my teeth, so now I'm going to floss. So I have my floss right here. So I have my floss right here, and my teeth is a little bloody, so and a little sore. Okay. I know some people don't like the floss, but if you floss and you just smell your floss, you will see why you need to floss. Okay? You need to floss. Alright, guys, so now we're going to go ahead and brush our teeth. So you may not know this, I'm going to go ahead and let you know. Baking soda is drying to the skin, so you have to be careful because you'll get dry spots around your mouth. And also, turmeric is very staining as well. So we're going to use a little bit of Vaseline to our lips. And then we're going to use a little bit around our mouth as well. So I'm going to just put some right here, here. All right. Alright, guys, so I'm going to use this toothbrush. I just wanted to try this out. It has charcoal on it. You do not have to use a toothbrush with charcoal on it. I just wanted to try something different. So yeah, just use a soft Brita brush. It smells so good. It smells so good. So anyways, let's get started.
Never flush oil down your drain. Just to let you know, I like to brush my teeth with my mouth slightly open, not with my teeth close together. I feel like you get more of your teeth surfaces clean that way. And I like to brush the inside of the mouth, like the roof of my mouth and my cheeks. Here I'm going to show you a technique that I use to avoid receding gums. Basically what I do is I brush towards my gum lines and not away from my gum lines.
Alright guys, so I brushed my teeth for about 5 minutes and I enjoyed every minute of it. My mouth is a little sore, but it's okay. Now I'm going to do my tongue, and you can see how white my teeth are already. I'm not even done, and my teeth are so white, but you can see my tongue is stained. So I'm going to brush my tongue as well. Look how white my teeth are though. Love it. Alright, sorry, I'm screaming. Alright guys, so I'm going to do my tongue, okay? Alright guys, so we're going to get a little bit of coconut oil to finish off our tongue, okay? And we're going to swish with this coconut oil as well. So just a little bit of coconut oil. So I'm just going to put that in my mouth. Okay, so we're going to get some more coconut oil, and then we're going to swish for about 5 minutes. Okay. Now we're going to brush our mouth with a little bit of coconut oil just to get rid of all the stain on the tongue, and you may have a little stain on your gum area. So yeah, so we're just gonna brush our teeth with some coconut oil, and that's it. Alright guys, so I am completely done, and thank you so much for watching. If you know anyone that needs a little bit of assistance with their dental hygiene, definitely share this video. If you like this video, definitely subscribe and hit the notification bell so when I pop through, you'll know that I made a video. So anyways, I'm going to show you guys my teeth. I am really loving these results, and I hope you love them as well. And you don't have to worry about the turmeric staining your towels or anything like that. Definitely use this method. I know it's really gross, but it's worth it. Anyways, I'm gonna show you guys my teeth. So yeah, my teeth are so white. And also, if you want, you could brush your tongue with a little bit of your toothpaste if your tongue is, you know, a little stained with the turmeric. So yeah, these are my pearly whites, and I love them a lot. My gums are bleeding just a tad bit because, you know, I did a lot on my mouth today, but my teeth are sparkling white and my tongue is nice and pink. I love these results, really good. So if you try it out, definitely let me know. And guess what guys, I'll see you on the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Ooh, I love these results. I can't stop looking at them. I really can't stop looking at my teeth.
So fresh and clean without Listerine.
Yes. love it.